It's a certified 2018 Cadillac XT5 crossover. The distinctive exterior lends itself to more balance on the road and greater space inside, while the engine delivers excitement behind the wheel. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: automatic transmission, DriveSense automatic with driver control suspension management, integrated navigation system with voice activation, refrigerated box located in the glove box, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and V6 engine. For over a century, Cadillac has been synonymous with automotive innovation. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.